First time after winning the bronze medal at the Olympics, PV Sindhu speaks exclusively with India Today's Boria Mazumdar. Let's cut across.
Sindhu, second consecutive medal.
Yeah.
Just talk.
Well, I have no words because it's definitely a proud moment for me and also for the country. And getting a medal, at the Olympics, second time is definitely. I mean, I'm like at the top of the world, so I have no words.
And, I remember Rio, and the first interview was exactly like this, audio, because I gave you my phone.
Yeah.
And then now the the Honorable Prime Minister has said he'll have ice cream.
Yeah.
He'll have ice cream, so I will much rather give you chocolate.
Well, thank you about that, but definitely I have no words because back then it was different because it was 2016 and not much of expectations. I was like a newcomer, I would say, but 2020, a lot of expectations and a lot of pressure and people expecting like everything, so everything, responsibilities, everything is there. So that's why I would say it's comparatively very different. 2016 and now Tokyo.
After yesterday, the recovery, I mean, that is the most important thing for an athlete to come back and do it again. Talk to me about that.
Yeah, definitely, yes, because there were mixed emotions because, I should be happy or I should be sad because, I lost, or I should be happy that I got another chance. Well, there were mixed emotions because, at the end of the day, you won that medal for the country. And, I just kept my emotions aside and I was thinking that, okay, I have another chance. So, why not give my 100%? So after the match was over, I just, recovered well. I know it was sad, but, this morning it was like completely a different day where I had to really focus and I had to actually wait for the whole day because the match actually happened in the night. So, a lot of things going on in my head, like what will happen, what to do, what not to do, pressure. So, well, I kept those emotions aside and I just gave my best. So, yeah, and the result is finally out.
But आपको ये एहसास हो चुका है कि आप भारत के इतिहास में the most successful female Olympian बन चुके हो?
बहुत खुश लग रहा है क्योंकि आपने जो भी बोला, हाँ, डेफिनेटली यस, क्योंकि ओलंपिक्स में मेडल लेके आना इज़ नॉट एन ईजी थिंग. बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ेगा और 2016 के बाद उसके बाद 5 साल हो गया फिर टोक्यो, तो बहुत खुश लग रहा है. और उतना इजी नहीं है क्योंकि इतना साल सब लोग इतना हार्डवर्क करके इतना मेहनत करके आते हैं और सिर्फ 3 मेडल्स रहते हैं, गोल्ड, सिल्वर और ब्रॉन्ज. और मेडल जीतना ही डेफिनेटली एक बड़ी बात है और मैंने वो फुलफिल किया, तो बहुत खुश लग रहा है. और क्योंकि बहुत लोगों का मेहनत है, सपोर्ट स्टाफ, फिजियो और मेरा ट्रेनर श्रीकांत, मेरा फिजियो इवांजलिन और मेरा कोच ऑब्वियसली मिस्टर पार्क, क्योंकि उन्होंने ये पैंडेमिक के वजह से घर नहीं जा पाया. उनका घर कोरिया में है, उनका फैमिली है, तो उन्होंने मेरे लिए इंडिया में रह के बहुत मेहनत किया. और मेरा पेरेंट्स फाइनली बहुत मेहनत किया क्योंकि वो लोगों को भी एक ड्रीम है ओलंपिक्स में मेडल लेके आना और मैंने वो फुलफिल किया. ऑब्वियसली बहुत प्राउड मोमेंट है और डेफिनेटली मैं फैंस को बहुत मिस कर रही हूँ क्योंकि वो फैन, उनका सपोर्ट, उनका लव हमेशा रहता है हमारे साथ, उनके ब्लेसिंग्स. तो डेफिनेटली आई मिस देम, बट आई मीन आई वुड लाइक टू डेडिकेट इट टू एवरीबॉडी.
रियो में जब आप मेडल जीते थे तब पीवी सिंधु उभर कर आ रहे थे सामने. यू वर अ यंग budding talent, but here the whole country was talking about PV Sindhu. If you don't win a medal, 1.3 billion will castigate you. So talk to me about that pressure.
Well, yeah, there is pressure, but for me it was always that I need to give my best. I'm sure. I mean, definitely, I would not say there is no pressure. There is definitely pressure, responsibilities, or not. I didn't think about all that when I entered the game, when I entered the match. It was just that I need to focus and get that medal for the country, and I've done it. So, not thinking about the other side, what would have happened, but what has happened, and that has happened for the best for everybody, the whole country. Yeah.
True. And when that final shot happened, over to you. Just describe that emotion because you finally got that medal, 2 medals in 2 Olympics. We are a sports-starved country. We don't have champions. You are a rare breed, 1.3 billion, but few champions. So just talk to me about that moment.
Well, after that match was over, I I didn't know what I was doing, because for a second, I mean, couple of seconds, I was just standing and looking like at the sky, I mean at the top, and then later on I shouted, because definitely it took a lot of emotions outside, because you know, I was happy, I was like in tears, and yeah, I was super happy. And my coach, obviously I'm very, very thankful to him, because he wanted, you know, me to be on the podium, and finally I've done it. So I think, you know, at that moment I'm sure everything has changed, and I'm super happy.
You know, when I asked you who do you dedicate this medal to, and you said to me very aptly that people who have suffered because of COVID. I love that answer. Can you say it again? Who is this medal dedicated to? The people. We have gone through a monstrous COVID wave. Talk to me about that.
Yeah, definitely. We've gone through a lot of things, pandemic, lockdown, a lot of people have been suffering. So, you know, this medal, I hope, is dedicated to all of them, and also to my family members, support staff, and, you know, to my coach and all my sponsors, because this pandemic has got, you know, like everybody has come to a standstill, and we didn't know what to do or what's happening. But, you know, I hope this medal changes, and I hope everything will come back to normal. And still, I just want to say everybody that, you know, everyone should be careful, and everybody should take care of themselves, because we have to get used to the new normal, and I think we have to get used to this. So, you know, even though things are settling down, I just want to say that, you know, everybody should be careful. Also, not only themselves, but also they need to educate and tell others that, yes, boss, this is the thing, and you need to be careful about yourself.
Okay, so PV Sindhu, medalist in Rio, PV Sindhu, medalist in Tokyo, with social distancing, a virtual hug, and a virtual chocolate. Because
Thank you.
Our BWF official is standing right here, and that's Lloyd Green. He's watching me intently if I'm giving Sindhu the chocolate or not. But there goes the chocolate. You don't touch it from there. Anyway,
Thank you.
You and I did ice cream in Rio.
Yeah.
But here's it's
a chocolate. Yeah.
The ice cream will be done by the Prime Minister. He has every right. But
Yeah.
Sindhu, many congratulations. Very proud. Very, very happy. Well done. Many congratulations.
Thank you so much, Maria. Thank you.